In today's video, I am going to tell you how to create a poll in Facebook group. And just one piece of information here that now with the WhatsApp update, you can also create poll on WhatsApp. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. So let me take you to a Facebook group. Let me select any of the group from the groups which I am connected with. So I'm choosing here music teachers group. Okay. In order to create a poll, you need to click on this section wherein you can write something, right? Click here. Once you click here, you will get an option at the bottom here. If you see, there's an option for poll. So once you click on poll, this option will open. Okay, first you'll have to write a question. So let's say, because this is a music group, so what I'm going to write is, which instrument is easy to learn? Okay, now I'll click on these three dots on bottom right corner, and then I'll get an option for poll. I'll click on this poll. Now I can add option. So option 1 is piano slash keyboard. Option 2 is guitar. I can add more options here as well. Okay, so if you want to add any more options here, you can, or from here you can cross it out and it will be cancelled. This option will be cancelled. Now you have two settings which you need to take care of. So first one says allow members to add options, which means if you're asking a question and if somebody in the group wants to answer that question, but he or she, that particular person, is not able to find the suitable option as per him in the options given by you, then they can create their own option. They can write their own option. All right. So second option is allow people to choose multiple options. Towards the top right corner, there is an option to click done, and then your poll is all set. You just have to click on post on the top right corner and it will be posted in the group. Okay,